Hi, my name is Bill North, and I was aircraft commander on Guam in the 60th Bomb Squadron from 1980 to 1984. I spent some time in the squadron, then I went to Stanavelle in the 3rd Air Division as General's aide. This is my lovely bride, Fran, and we're just having a great time here at this Bomb Squadron reunion, Mayport, Florida. Thank you so much. Yeah, and we went back later. Thanks a lot.
You didn't include that.
That's right.
My name's Bill Smith. I was a instructor radar navigator on Guam in 1988. In 89, I became the DOO for the wing. So I was in the 60th Bomb Squadron and the 43rd. And this is my wife, Jane, who was also there with me and with our 3 daughters. And our tour there just got way too short.
I'm Bradley Moore. This is my wife Janet. I was an EW on Guam and from 1980 to 83, and we are just fabulous about being here.
I'm Brian O'Connell, and I was an electronic warfare officer in the 60th back from 81 to 84. So my wife Sue, she was there also. Kept me straight most of the time. But it's great to be back here with all these guys and gals and having a wonderful time. Beach time, talk time, a lot of stories. And Sue's got a lot of stories too, but she's not sharing all of them, which is probably better. So that's all I got.
I'm shy.
Hi, I'm Bruce Carrico. I'm here with my wife Gina. You might recognize her from being Guam Jimmy's Charmerita, Lee. And I was a navigator, first assignment at Anderson Air Force Base, Guam. Met all these wonderful people here at the reunion. Like to see them again and again. And it really tears me up, some of the things that we do here. But I love y'all, and thanks a lot.
Hi, I'm Buddy Hammond. This is my wife Karen, and we were in the 60th from 82 to 84. And I was in training flight and odds and ends, moved around. Was never on a crew in the squadron, but was always in the squadron one way or the other till I went to, where did I go?
Carswell.
Yeah, from there to Carswell. So Carswell to Guam to Carswell, that was my progression.
I'm John O'Shaughnessy. I was in the 60th Bomb Squadron as a navigator from 80 to 83. Great time, friends for life. You come to every reunion you can.
Kelly Hager, Guam, September 80, September 82, 60th Bomb Squadron pilot, and 43rd Strat Wing Command Post Controller. Having a wonderful time in Navy Mayport in Florida.
Hi, I'm Kid Curry. I was a navigator on Guam from 79 to 81, my first operational assignment. Out here catching up with old friends and telling old stories that we remember or misremember and repeat every year. So it's a great time catching up with everybody and seeing folks we haven't seen in a long time. Part of the Air Force family and something I'll never forget.
Hi, I'm Mike George. I was on Guam from 79 to 83. Got the pleasure of flying with Bill North, and he was one of my last aircraft commanders. He put this on, and what a great time. Thanks much. Well, as you'll see from the rest of the video, a lot of great people here. All appreciate getting together and remembering what it used to be like.
Randy Rimarenko, my wife Vina. We were on Guam 1979 to 83. We loved it. Obviously, that's where we stayed. Re-upped a couple times for there. Had a daughter, born on Guam, a little Guamanian. But of course, my favorite instructor was Bill North. Well, he paid me. He paid me to say that. But no, great time, great cruise, just a great place to be.
Again, we loved it there, and about 10 years ago, I took my daughter back to Guam so she could see where she was born. All right.
Hi, this is Rick Siebert and my wife Lynn. We were in Guam 1981 to, 1978 to 1981. I was a electronic warfare officer, and the best thing about Guam probably was our chance to be liaison with the village of Edie and create all that interaction with the squadron. And so that's what brings us back every year to see our friends and cohorts from the squadron.
Rick Bennick here on my 3rd Guam reunion here, thanks to the great Bill North. I was on Guam from November of 1979 until November 79 until September of 82. What a great time, a great opportunity to meet and see everybody there, and obviously a big success story for my continuing on in the Air Force.
Hi, I'm Sid Black. I was on Guam from 1978 for about 6 years. I had a great time over there. I started off as a navigator, ended up as an instructor in Stan Naval as a radar. And everything I did in the Air Force I attributed to the people on Guam. Most of my follow-on assignments came from folks like Randy Wooten and guys who really stood forward to mentor me, and I just really appreciate everything they did, and I did my best to pay it back. So this is my lovely wife, Yedida. We've been married. We've been married for 19 years, and this is probably our 5th or 6th reunion.
I'm Colonel, retired Stephen Oster. I served in Guam with this 60th Bomb Squadron Outlaw Bunch from May of 1982 to October of 1984. I was a lieutenant, second lieutenant, and left there to become a captain. I enjoyed my tour. Again, that's probably the greatest people I ever worked with, and being on a B-52 is the most rewarding job you could ever have. Go Bombers.
Hey, I just first of all want to thank Bill North for putting this together for us. Every year, it's awesome. It's a great way to get together in honor of the fallen, and also have the camaraderie with the people that are still with us. But just to give you a quick one, I was in Guam from May of '83 until November of '86. So I spent 3 years in Guam. I was a navigator. I was a Stan Naval navigator, and then I upgraded to radar navigator, and then I took off and went back to Griffiths Air Force Base. That was my next base out of Guam. But I had a great time there. I got married in Guam, amazingly so. Not to a Guamanian, but the lady that I met in Sacramento when I went through nav training. We got married in Guam, so it was a very memorable time there, and we had a great time. But again, thank you to Bill North. He's a fantastic guy, and I hope he continues to do this. And I enjoy doing this every year. And that's all I got.